Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone's battery draining issue after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, as you all know, Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta. But after updating to it, many of you are complaining that you are facing an issue of battery drain, that your iPhone's batteries are draining too fast and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining issue after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start our video. Our first step is to check for your battery usage. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to battery. Scroll up, go to battery. After this, then you have to do is simply see which apps and services are consuming the most battery. This can help you identify if a particular app is the culprit. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve battery draining issues caused by software glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to open the General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply disable your background app refresh. What you have to do is simply go to background app refresh, again tap on it, then tap on off and disable it. After this, then you have to do is simply adjust your screen brightness. Lower your screen brightness by going to the control center, and from here you can adjust your screen brightness. After this, you have to do is simply turn off your location services. Some apps use GPS and location services in the background, which can drain your battery. To disable it, you have to go back and go to privacy and security, tap on location services, tap on disable it, tap on turn it off, and done. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go back and then go to the General, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone battery draining issue after iOS 18 beta update. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.